Hi, today I'm going to show you how to restore your IMEI if you didn't make a backup of EFS partition. Here are the things you're going to need. You need a PC or a laptop, the model number of your phone, a good working USB cable, the files 1 to 3 in the description, and an unlimited internet contract. I can also recommend you to do a backup. This is what we're going to do. First, we are downloading the latest Android for your device. Second, we delete all the data on the phone. Third, we hopefully repairing your IMEI. First of all, you need to find out what country code you need. You do that by clicking the link in the description. If you don't find it, it's in the selection needed. You will get brought into a full list of country codes. You need to search your country code there. I recommend going by an unbranded CSC. If you have information, open Freesia or the alternative link in the description. There, you put in the model number and the CSC you need. Click Auto and then check Update. Then click Download. After your system is downloaded and encrypted, go to your Documents folder and extract the zip file created by Freesia. If you use the alternative downloader, go to your downloads location and extract the zip file or 7-zip file. If you have successfully extracted the zip, open the following folder and check if you have files with these names inside: AP, BL, CP, CSC and Home CSC. Check if all files are there. We are open the flash tool Odin. Don't be scared by this message. It's telling you to delete the currently saved Google accounts on the phone. So do that if you want. If not, continue. Now add all the files. You can see which files you need by the prefix of the downloaded files: AP, BL, CP and CSC. Due to the fact AP takes the longest, we use that time to boot the phone into download mode. It's basically easy. Let me show you. On this phone, you just need to shut it down completely. Don't even connect it to the charger yet. Press Home button or Bixby button, volume down and power until this screen pops up. Then click volume up and connect your phone to the PC. If you are using a phone newer than the S or Note 9, you need to do this. Connect a USB headphone or cable into the phone, but not into the PC. Then press Bixby. If you don't have a Bixby button, ignore. Volume down and power. Then click volume up and you're in download mode. If you now injected everything, click start and wait until your phone reboots and the computer shows success. Now your phone is booting into the installed OS and your IMEI should be there. Important: if you have a custom ROM installed, such as AOSP or anything older, newer than the actually downloaded ROM, use CSC without Home. This is going to delete all data on the phone. The CSC Home don't erase all data. After your phone is recognized in Odin, press start and wait until your phone reboots and shows success.